Check out this 2006 Toyota Tundra. Carfax has certified this Tundra as having one owner. This Tundra has just under 107,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This Tundra boasts a 4.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tow package and passenger airbag. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.